Hello guys, how can you create a vignette effect in Photoshop like this? First, go to the adjustment layer and select levels. Adjust the level slider to around 60 to slightly darken the image. Now make sure your foreground color is set to black. Select the brush tool, choose a hard round brush. Set the hardness to 100% and size to around 800 pixels. Add the brush in the center of the image to create a mask effect. Press Ctrl+T to free transform. Then right-click and choose Distort. Adjust the shape toward the corners to create a vignette look, then press OK. Now double-click the layer to open Properties. Go to the Mask settings and increase the feather to around 36 to 37 pixels. This will soften the edges and create a smooth vignette effect. This is the before and this is the after. And that's how you can create a vignette effect in Photoshop.